皆さん、こんにちは。私はスミスと言います。今日はレッスン11課、その1と2について話します。Today we'll be learning lesson 11, units 1 and 2. Our objectives for today are to be able to put a verb into the te form. Once you know how to put a verb into the te form, you will be able to make requests, ask for permission, and be able to say a sequence of verbs. So this bunpo is very useful, very important. So let's get started. Okay, so our bunpo for today. To be able to put a verb into the te form, you're going to drop the mas or the ru, whichever one. So in this case, we're using the verb taberu. So we're dropping the ru and we're putting a te instead, and then we're going to add kudasai on the end. And that kudasai means please. So tabete kudasai means please eat. When we use our verb in the te form and add mo ii desu ka, that means may I verb. In this case, we're saying tabete mo ii desu ka, which means may I eat. And then when we put our verb in the te form and add a second verb, which could be past or present, in this case we're using a past tense, that is going to mean a sequence of verbs, or I did this verb and then I did this verb. So in this case, in this example, we're saying tabete nemashita. So neru, to sleep. So tabete, I ate, nemashita, and then I slept. Okay, so let's go ahead and pause here. You can take notes on this vocab, and then in just a minute, I will go through all of the pronunciation with you. Okay, so our first one is suatte kudasai. That means please sit. Tatte kudasai. Please stand. Dashite kudasai. Please turn in something. This could be like your homework. Usually when you turn in your homework, you'll say dashite kudasai, or the sensei will say dashite kudasai. Misete kudasai. Please show me something. Again, this is implied in Japanese, so it doesn't always have to have that object in front of it. Mado o akete kudasai. Please open the window. Doa o shimete kudasai. Please close the door. Shizuka ni shite kudasai. Please be quiet. Mou ichido itte kudasai. Please say it one more time. Chotto matte kudasai. Please wait a minute. Omise, store. So the reason this O is in parentheses is because mise on its own does mean store, but usually you are going to put an O in front of it to make it polite to whoever you're speaking to. Sumimasen. Excuse me. Okay, everybody loves manga, hopefully. We are going to learn to use these different te verbs with manga for a second. So, asking for permission. Can I read that manga? How would you say this in Japanese? We're going to take our verb, read, yomu, and we're going to put it in its te form. So that means it's going to become yonde. And to ask permission, we are going to add mo ii desu ka. So that becomes sono manga o yonde mo ii desu ka. To make a request, please read this manga. So again, we're taking the yomu and we're going to put it in the te form. So yonde, And to make a request, to ask somebody to do something, you're going to add ください。この漫画を読んでください。Then to make it a sequence of events, we're going to say, I read manga and then watched anime. 漫画を読んでアニメを見ました。Okay, same thing with ice cream. Let's try it one more time. To ask for permission. Can I eat that ice cream? Eat is our verb, and we already went over this in the very beginning slide. So the te form of 食べる is 食べて。そのアイスを食べてもいいですか? To make a request, please eat this ice cream. I don't know why you would want somebody else to eat your ice cream, but for the sake of practice, please eat this ice cream. このアイスを食べてください. And then, as a sequence of events, I ate ice cream and watched a movie. アイスを食べて映画を見ました. Okay, some more practice. Let's see if you can figure these ones out. How do you say, excuse me, please open the door? すみません、ドアを開けてください. Please wait for just a minute. ちょっと待ってください. May I turn this in? これを出してもいいですか? May I go to sleep? 寝てもいいですか? Can I go home now? 帰ってもいいですか? Okay, hopefully after watching this video, you know a little bit more about how to make requests, how to ask permission, and how to say a sequence of verbs. And you do all of this using the te form. So please practice that as much as you can, and good luck.